And as usual, we're going to recap today the tiny repair that I did. You know, it's those little small interior repairs that really drive me crazy. Today, repairing the front sunroof crank cover. So you have access to your crank. The little tabs had broken off. I think before I even got it, they were kind of just hanging in there. Someone put a tar ball in there and like stuck it up there, and it was just a mess. So I cleaned it out, found the tabs were broken, and it's just been kind of falling out every now and again. So I decided just to go ahead and do a little repair. So I tried that steel stick epoxy, thinking, oh, you know, I'm just going to put it in there, it's going to mold real easy. Well, it just didn't work. And so that's a no-go on the epoxy stick for that repair. I tried molding it, tried to get a little piece. It's out of my realm, out of my skill. And I was thinking maybe I could melt a plastic clip in there and maybe some nails or whatever. Anyway, just want a cheap little fix. And you know what? 3M tape works, double-sided 3M tape. Easy fix, low cost, looks good. I can pull that cover off whenever I need to. Easy, done. And that's it. That's all I really wanted to show y'all, how I fixed that interior part. Some are more complicated than others. Hey, you know, here I am bringing you more content. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. It is a short one. I appreciate everyone watching, subscribing. Make sure you like, put that notification bell on. And we'll see you. Oh, and don't forget to share it. And we'll see you on the next one, or you'll see me. Have a good one.